Hello, my name is Ansh Tiwari, and I'm basically belong MP Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh, and my highest education BTech in a computer science passing year 2023, and I'm completing my BTech and searching job Naukri.coms and some job portals, but I'm not any interview calls and not scheduling interviews. So my friend is suggest you join the Evision. So what is the Evision? I'm not understand the Evision. So then I'm searching the Evision. Evision is the IT consultancy company and placement also. So then I'm joined the Evision is a 45 days so join the programming internship, and I'm completed my 45 days internships, and after I'm placed uh, STARTEK company in located in Pune, and my starting package is 3 LPA. Thank you, and thank you, lots of thank yous, Evisions, all teams members and all faculties. Thank you for Evision. Evision is a very good platform for freshers and experienced both. Is a very good platform is IT industries careers. Thank you for Evision support for me. Thank you.